Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vince here with 660 Street Performance. As always, bringing you the heat from the street. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for me. We'd love to have you as part of the family. Hit that bell notification, and it'll give you a notification anytime I post any new content. So we went down to Jake's Drag Strip December the 5th, 2020 down in Alabama. They had a very, very good turnout at the track. They had a ton of entries, and I don't know if you guys know it or not, but I also do motorsports photography as well as the YouTube videos. So I went down there mainly to do the photography. I did capture a lot of videos, but I thought the videos were lost. I could not find them anywhere. I don't know. They just like vanished into thin air. So I came across the videos last night and I was like, holy crap, I need to post these. So without further ado, check it out. Drop down in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think. You guys take it easy. Shake it.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm just sitting here.
Okay.
No, you're fine, man. I took care of the kids.
But y'all are raised to know as well as I do. We call it, we do what we know. We call it. Everybody out here, every time you crawl in that car, you take a chance. You gambling with your own car and your own life every time you get behind the wheel. Jesse can drag the track. We can do the motor cars.
Like, don't get me wrong, I understand the predicament we're in.
Try to put some
Like,
heat back in
everybody's
the
struggling.
track.
But like, man,
Fairly legal
they
cars,
shook on
we
me,
know it,
you
man.
know, that shit works.
We already know they are. We got the remainder of the 26, the 28. We got the remainder of the other great trains. They're all fast. Everybody, what I'm saying is, we're going to leave it up to y'all. Y'all, no hard feelings. If you say, we don't feel safe going down, can I get my money back and go home? That's up to you. No problem. If you want to race, my opinion is let's fucking race.
You know what,
Let's
let's fucking race. Fuck that. I'm glad that motherfucker's alive.
Let's race.
Let's fucking race!